How to log in Bank of America online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our facial help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Bank of America account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. You can also use Bank of America application to get logged into your account, but for today's video, let's get logged in through a web browser. At the top search bar, type in bankofamerica.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now here you will see login option. Tap onto it. Then tap on continue to log in. Now at this page, simply type in your user ID. Once done, type in your password at the box below and tap on to log in. In case you would like to save this user ID for later, toggle on the button that says Save ID. And also, if you have forgotten your ID or password, you can tap on Forgot ID/password and get help resetting your account. If you don't have an account at all, then tap on Enroll and create yourself an account. And if your credentials matches your account, you will successfully get logged into your Bank of America account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.